Welcome back to Kevin's European Garage, and today I'll be changing out the cabin air filter on my 2021 Audi Q7. Today I'm going to be using this man filter to replace the cabin filter. Standard charcoal activated filter. Things are pretty easy to change out, should take you less than 20 minutes. Alright, so now we got the light set up over here, so basically you're going to look underneath the glove box, and that's where you're going to find access to the filter. All right, you got 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. All you do is just grab onto them and just pull them down. So you look over here. See? Just pull it down like that. 2, 3. This is just foam, so you got to be careful with it. You don't want to damage it. All right, so that now leaves you with a box. This box is curved. See, it's right over here. It goes all the way down over to here. So that's the cover that we have to take off. Just gotta pull the clips one at a time. Gently. Oh, there it is. And look at all that fun stuff that comes out with it. This is pretty nasty, this one. I should have changed this much earlier, but I didn't. So now we're doing it. Now wouldn't be a bad time to reach up there, inside there. See if there's any garbage hanging around. I don't feel anything. There's just a lot of dirt in there. So afterwards, we'll just vacuum it up. All right, time to put the new one in. So pay particular attention to the airflow. It says so right on the air filter. Which direction? The arrows should be pointed towards the back of the car. All right, that's it. It's up and in. And now you gotta put your cover back on. Here's the cover. Just snaps right into place. You got the 2 main snaps and the rest of them are small little ones. Just keep on pushing until you don't hear anything else. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put it behind that corner over there. I think it's so flimsy, so easy for this thing to not want to fit. There we go, line them all up. And that's it. That's probably actually the hardest part, is getting this thing up there and lined up. And here's my old one. This was definitely time to replace it. The new one comes with a basic manual, which is good for the Q7. It even says a Bentley on it too, believe it or not. Interesting. But that's what we got. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is something pretty quick. It should take you about 20 minutes to do. It's a nice little quick weekend thing. And stay tuned. I should have some more Audi videos coming out in the near future. Like rear brakes, spark plugs, and a bunch of other stuff. So don't forget to subscribe so you get notifications when those come out. Again, thank you for watching Kevin's European Garage, and I'll see you again soon.